Hi Sujata ji, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Super.
Good, sir.
Acha
Good.
Sujata,
Yes,
I know you last 1 year. I know your enthusiasm, but still, for the new teachers, for yoga students' point of view, I have to ask a few questions. Tell
yes,
me
sir.
about your where are you from? What's your name? What's your qualification?
Yes, sir. I'm Sujata Gadekar from Bangalore. I'm basically from Maharashtra, but so my degree is in botany. I have completed BSc in botany, and after my marriage, I went to USA, and there I have done another computer engineering degree, and then I did my job for 5 years in IT,
In
and
USA.
then in USA, yes.
Okay.
And we relocated in 2013 in Bangalore.
Very
When
good.
I was in USA, I had some problems started. When I was taking the education, that dizziness and migraine and allergies, dust allergies and pollen allergies, so many allergies were there. So we couldn't do anything. We were going to every doctor, whoever is suggesting doctors. Then we were meeting them, and then they were telling us there is nothing you can do. You can just manage allopathy. There is no cure in allopathy for the migraine. So they were telling me that you just
So
have to
in USA,
learn to manage.
there was no solution for these problems.
No solution. We did everything, MRI scanning, everything. We thought that, I mean, the doctors thought that maybe I had that brain tumor or something. So we did that, everything. But nothing was there. And we couldn't do anything. So it was really, that's, 4 5 years, it was really exhausting for me, tiring. Every time I was getting tired. Whenever I go outside, then in 5 minutes I was coming home because I was not feeling better. So I was lying down for the whole day actually.
Okay.
It was really bad patch. And then somebody told me that you can start prana. So Ramdev ji, that we got the CD, and then we were starting it on the TV, and then I was doing the prana. At least that one, at least it was little bit better. A little bit means that dizziness little bit gone down. But migraine, it was coming like once in a week, it was coming. And then after that, I was having weakness, so much weakness. And then in 2013, we relocated in Bangalore. So I got one pamphlet for that happiness course. So the next day, the class was starting. So my husband and I went there and told us
Happiness program means it's art of living.
art of living. Yes, sir, happiness. And
I
then
hope you know I'm also art of living course teacher, happiness
yes,
program.
I know, sir. Yes, I know, sir.
So you
And
did
then
that workshop.
yeah, that happiness course for 6 days. So I completed that course. First 3 days it was really bad. That bad headache was there. I couldn't even get up after the course. I was coming home, and then it was really bad headache. But I asked the teacher. She told me it happens that your all toxins from your body is going. So don't worry about that. But it will happen.
So what happened
And
after six
then
days? After 6 days, what happened?
after 6 days, I was feeling really good, sir. And then first, I would like to tell you that I couldn't even bend back for the Surya Namaskar. I was not even doing one set of Surya Namaskar. I couldn't do that one. So the teacher actually forced me to do it. I'm here. You can do it. Just do it. And then once I finished that set, I was like feeling so much dizzy. So she gave me water. And after that, I started that after course, I started it at home, like practicing that home. And then in within a month, I was feeling really better. That thought were so many thoughts were there now. So gradually, I was feeling better with that Sudarshan Kriya. And after
So
4 5
listen,
months, yes, sir.
I came to Yoga Path because of Sudarshan Kriya only.
Yes,
I was stunned when I did that
me
workshop.
too. Yes,
I was stunned and I felt this is my path. I have conducted 400 workshops. I
Oh,
have
good,
conducted,
sir.
I
Wow.
taught 400 batches and assisted so many teachers.
Oh my God.
So that Dadiwala Sri Sri changed my life.
Yes, sir.
Because of him,
True,
I have
sir.
come to
It
this
is,
path.
yeah, it applies. Yes, sir. Yes,
In
sir.
5 days,
Yes, sir.
I used to have a terrific acidity problem. In 5 days, disappeared.
Yeah.
And I used to suffer with the severe sinusitis. After this Sudarshani Kriya workshop, it disappeared.
Yes, sir. It has the power.
It is a power, and we don't know how he, my teacher Padmini Unnishi used to say, the Lord Krishna came with the Sudarshana Chakra. Everything manifested as a Sri Sri with Sudarshana Kriya.
Sudarshana Kriya. Yes, yes,
No,
yes.
how many countries, how many lakhs of people, crores of people practice every day across the globe.
Yes.
So that is the reason we are connected. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, last year you did teacher training course, right, in Bodhi?
Yes, I have started on 24th of April. 24th of April. It was Corona time. Yes.
First batch.
Yes.
You are the first batch.
First batch. Yes, sir. When I was seeing that the teachers were conducting the classes, I was really nervous. How could I do that one? How could I structure my classes? Would I be able to take it? I was thinking that.
But after training, you got confidence?
After 200 hours now, I have started classes.
But let me tell you, Sujata, I have one special observation with you. Last year, if you remember, May time frame, I used to have question answer session every Sunday.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right? Every Saturday,
yes.
Sunday, or only Sunday?
Saturday and Sunday. Now you are doing only on Sunday, sir.
And I used to see you every Saturday, Sunday. You are the first person to join.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Almost, I think, 6 to 7 months you are there on the screen. If I log on to Zoom, you are there, visible on the screen. I used to wonder. Yes. See, for me, responsibility. For you, it is not responsibility. How you are joining? I used to surprise. So basically, your enthusiasm levels are so high.
Thank you, sir. It is because of you, and it is because of yoga, actually.
Yoga, yoga practitioners' enthusiasm is very high.
Yes, it should
Tell me, are you teaching right now?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, how many students are there? What type of classes are you conducting?
There are 15 students. I am taking 3 types of classes. One is general yoga, and one for patients, and one is for personal.
So you're handling patients?
Yes, sir. I'm handling patients.
So you're a yoga therapist?
Since I have done the therapeutic course, and
no, I know.
I am not going to say that I am therapist.
You have done level 1 teacher training?
Actually, I have started 100 hours, then upgraded to 200 hours. Then I have completed 200 and then started yoga classes. And again, I completed 300 also, 300 hours, and then therapeutics also. Now I am doing a nutrition class.
Oh my God. So you're a RYT 500 teacher? And you're a yoga therapist? Now you will become nutritionist also. So your students will get more benefits from you.
I am hoping that.
See, if you have a nutrition knowledge and therapeutic yoga knowledge, and you have done almost how many, 1 to 6 months you have done teacher training course in Bodhi?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. How many students are attending right now?
Now there are 15 students.
15 students. How is life? Are you happy?
Yes, sir. Satisfied. Very much.
What makes you too satisfied?
And when my students tell me that, Sujata, I am getting better when I attend your classes, and after one hour session, they get relaxed. Then they like my yoga nidra, they like my meditation, and they tell me, first they tell me that I have this problem, I am having neck pain, I am having back pain, then can you do something? Then I take take the asanas for that one, take some stretches and then pranayam and everything. So they feel relaxed after 1 hour. Whenever I ask them, how are you feeling? Great, they were telling me. So I feel great about myself also,
Very
that I
good.
can do something for others
Ah,
and they are feeling better because of me. Because of me, I have that something in my that is the satisfaction reason, sir.
very good, sir. Any very interesting case where you have handled any patients, anybody you have handled?
Yes, there are two cases. One, she is having bulge, and doctor were telling her that you would have to have surgery, but she
See,
denied that, and
Sujata,
she came to
Sujata,
yes,
I get angry with this subject. For everything surgery,
yes, sir, yes, sir. Now doctors are yes,
I'm sorry, see, there are great doctors, but there are this type of doctors also, karma. So doctor told to do surgery. What
her to do surgery, and then that surgery would have been like for 6 months she would be bedridden. So
doctor told that 6 months bedridden.
bedridden, yeah, you would be bedridden.
Sujata, he's a very good doctor. I've seen one boy in Hyderabad, he came to me in crying. Sir, I went to, I cannot tell the hospital name because it's a big mafia, they may trouble me also. So they said, we will do operation and then after operation problem will solve. After operation, he told me he was bedridden 4 months.
Okay.
He says,
this doctor told her.
He says, I lost my job. He says, my again back pain has come back after surgery also. So what for you have done surgery? You have damaged, you spoiled his job. Again his pain has come back. He says, no, I'm unemployed. I don't know what.
And the stress, sir. Stress. How much stress could I have?
He says, I'm married. I have children. I don't know. I'm completely depressed. Anyway, so what happened to your student who is suffering with back pain, that bulge problem, disc problem?
So she is coming at home, and then now it is almost 4 months. So she is feeling better. She was even not walking like 5 minutes. She couldn't walk. She couldn't walk for 5 minutes also.
Sujata,
so now she is.
Network problem, Wi-Fi problem, slow data is cutting. Can you repeat again? Speak again. What happened to her?
So she was not able to even. So she's coming at my home, sir. So she is coming for like it is 4 months now, and now she is feeling she is feeling better now. So she was telling me that before I was not even able to walk for 5 minutes also, for 2 blocks also. So now she is walking. She is able to.
Fantastic.
And she is telling me that your stretches make me so nice after that, and then for the whole day she feels refreshed.
Very good, Sujata. So this is a satisfaction. You are a doctor now.
No, sir.
Like a doctor. After 2-3 months, she will 99%. Her pain will disappear and she may become fit.
Yes.
Yeah. See, most of the problems are due to tensions. So your yoga nidra, relaxation technique,
yoga nidra, meditation. Yes, sir. Yes, they are like wonders.
So you have completed level 1, level 2, level 3. Then therapeutic yoga training. You're doing nutrition. What is left over in Bodhi?
Ayurveda and pre-med.
So they are there in hit list.
Yes, sir. First, I will finish this one and then I will do that.
And so you are earning money.
Yes.
Financial independence. How is that feeling?
It's great. I was doing a job in IT, but that earning and this earning is way different, sir. This gives you satisfaction. That gives you money only.
Very good. Very good. So you have to do Ayurveda course Saturday, Sunday only, na 2 hours morning.
Nutrition is now there, na? So that's why I'm not taking Ayurveda now. I will finish this nutrition.
Nutrition I will finish weekend.
Yes. On the weekend also, yeah. Yes, yes. Akalya ma'am is taking that.
Fantastic. So finish it and let me know. I have a gift for you. Do Ayurveda, don't pay money, just do it. Dr. Uma is an extraordinary doctor. Have you heard about Dr. Uma?
I saw that. No, sir. No.
Mind
She's
blowing
in Hyderabad, no? Or,
she is from Vijayawada, mind blowing knowledge, and you will fall in love with Ayurveda subject after her class.
yes, sir. I'm looking forward to that class.
Yoga and Ayurveda together, they are not separate.
Okay,
Veda talks about human only. Yoga also about this body only. Both
only.
If you see Ayurveda doctors, they read yoga subject also. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So please learn about Ayurveda, then you are complete. You have done nutrition, you have done therapy, you have done yoga, advanced yoga, Ayurveda. You are a full, perfect doctor like that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And I wish you all the best, Sujata. I'm very happy with you. And in Bangalore, we have a huge plans. So you have to be with us because your enthusiasm I have seen 1 year, last April.
Yes, sir. Yes.
May. Every time your energy levels I've seen in the class, in the weekend classes, every time. And now you're learning, now you're teaching. You're taking personal classes, you're teaching normal people, and you're handling patients. And they are getting benefits, you're getting money. What else we need, Sujata?
Yes, but it is because of both those. All trainers are so good, sir. So,
who was your teacher? Level 1, level 2?
Level 1, Vaishnavi ma'am, Shweta ma'am. And then level 2, Ritesh sir, and that Shirisha.
Level 3?
Level 3, Lakshmi ma'am and Narendra sir.
So you have seen so many trainers.
Yeah. And Sriram sir was coming for the anatomy. Yeah. And Sujana ma'am came for the Ayurveda actually. And therapeutic Prasana ma'am. And there are so many therapists who are coming in that one, sir.
Fantastic. So I wish you all the best, Sujata. Let's keep in touch.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Let us progress. You're doing a wonderful job. You're learning constantly. You're teaching. And you're so simple and humble. I'm so happy to get connected with you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Let's keep in touch. Bye-bye.
Bye.